this is the Winnebago 36M. And right off the bat, I don't know, something about the seats is standing out to me with Winnebago. I like their seats. And the dash, it's a pretty sweet nav system on this thing. The LG TV is huge for having it in the cab area. That's nice. So you're gonna get, I can't remember how many it said this slept. I think it said 4. So, but it seems to me they look like they both pop out. So you're gonna get 2 here, 2 here, 2 in the back. So I'd say it sleeps 6. These are nice. Go in or out. Gives you extra counter space when you need it. Gets out of the way when you don't. It's a pretty modern fireplace. I like it. I like it. Love the residential. This is one of the larger residential fridges. That is awesome. Spot for a washer and dryer. There's your bath. You do have a seat in the bath, so that's nice. Feels kind of cramped side to side on the bed. I know that's probably how much room you normally have, but the room itself feels really warm and inviting. I do like it. I like the fan. Pretty good amount of closet space over here. It's definitely screaming hers and hers. That's where my wife would sleep, and then she would get all that. What stands out to me, the tile. I didn't even mention that, but the tile's pretty awesome in here. So I do like the decor. I like the modern fireplace. That's a little bit different. And anytime you can have something that can move in and out, give you extra space like that, that's pretty sweet too. And the fridge, I guess that would stand out too.